Hey, welcome to the homestead, everybody. We're doing a little wheat harvest. We're really small scale. Instead of a manual scythe, Grim Reaper style, I went with this Forester bit. It's like a grass cutting, looks like a circular saw blade, and it is doing the trick. Got it on my Toro gas head, and then I've just got my Ryobi expander with this forestry bit. I wanted the power of this power head. Been cutting for a couple hours. Just double checking that this is tight. I put a little bit of Loctite on it just because if this flew off, I'd lose a leg. Do you want to see? So I don't have, $500,000 to invest in a combine. Could get the manual cutter, but my shoulder wouldn't handle it. This is going so good. It's easy. I just basically just have to swing my hips.